Hi everyone. Today we're going to be learning something very important in math. And that is greater than, less than, and equal to. These are the greater than, less than symbols, and this is the equal to symbol. That is the equal to symbol. And these are the greater than and less than symbols. You might be wondering, hey, Shri, these signs over here are the same thing, they're just facing different ways. Well, you are right. And you might be some of you might be thinking this sign over here is different than these these two signs. And you're also not wrong. Yes, it is very different. And what this sign over here resembles is, so let me put this as an example. We have two, let's say, circles, and we're gonna eat. Let me just not actually. Let me take off that equal to sign. And we also have two circles here. Well, we would put the equal sign because these two circles over here and these two circles over here are literally the same thing, because 1 2 and 1 2, there's no difference between them, and there's no difference between two. Not one, this one is not greater than this one, or this one is not greater than this one. They're just they both have the same value. So that's what that's what equal to means. That's what the sign equal to means. And these signs over here, what they resemble, I didn't tell you what these signs over here resemble. Those signs over there resemble greater than and less than. So suppose we have 1 and we have a 2. We're comparing 1 to 2. And we know that 2 is bigger than 1 because we have one circle here and we have two circles here, and the quantity is greater over here. And that's what that is. And when in situations, we would have 3 over here and we would have 2 over here, and we know that 3 is greater than 2 because 3 circles, and then we only have 2 circles. This will be greater. So yep, that's what that means. That's a brief introduction, and that's basically all you need to know. But I'm gonna give you a few examples. For each of these questions or examples I give you, pause the video and figure them out by yourself. So what this over here says is 3 greater than 7 or 7 greater than 3? Well, let's figure it out. So we know that 7 is greater than 3, so we would put the sign this way, because resembling that this, or signifying that, or this sign over here says that 7 is bigger than 3, and we do know that 7 is bigger than 3. And I hope that made sense to you. And on the next one, it says we have 17 here, we have 17 here. And okay, if some people don't know what is greater, there's two ways. There's 2 digits here and there's only 1 digit here. And another way is 8 comes before 17. So we know that 17 is greater. And we have 33 and 50 here. And some of you think that 50 is greater than 33. So 50 is going to be greater than 50 is going to be greater than 33. 33 is less than 50. So that balances that balances the question. That balances the weight thing. And we have 49 here and we have 16 here. We have 16 there. And we know that 16 comes up before 49, so 49 is going to be bigger. And this is pretty special. The last one is always special, for me at least. Okay, so it has 11 and 11. We know that 11 is not greater than itself, or it's not less than itself, so it's going to be equal to, because there's no difference between them. They're literally the same thing. And that's it for today. Thank you.